Hey guys, welcome back to Yabes Lessons. So in today's video, we'll be learning pure Ghanaian local worship without no drums. So if you're interested and you want to learn how to apply simple bass line on slow worship, this is the right video for you, okay? But before we start the breakdown, I do private class lesson. If you want to know how to play bass, or you want to continue from where you stop, or you have difficulty in playing a certain song, DM me on my WhatsApp. You see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Earlier, we'll be doing a simple local worship song, no drums, okay? We'll be playing on key C, okay? Pure worship local song like this, we are not to be playing plenty notes, just simple note, you understand? So let's start with the song. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the progression of the song. Da, 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 to your 4. We'll be going to your 6. 6, 2. Okay, so from 4 to 6, write the progression down, because I'll be giving you notes. I'll be giving you pass note and fills on this lesson that will help you go from your 4 to your 6, and from your 6 to your 5, from your 5, you understand? So adding in a 4, then 6, 2, okay, da da 5, da da, okay, say yes to 5 1, da da 4 3, then your 6, da da 2 2 5 5 1. Okay, so at the start of a worship song like this, you can start by playing just one note, as I did, okay? Adding in a 4, 6 2 5 1, then 5 1, say yes to 4 4 3, then your 6, da da 2 2 5 5 1. You understand? Okay, so now let's continue with the song, and I'll be adding a little bass line to spice up the worship song, okay? And also, this kind of song, there are many ways you can play the song, okay? So I'll take you through that, okay, so that you can mix them. If maybe the singer will be singing it for a long time, you won't just be playing just one progression. You'll be playing, you can be mixing up the progression just to spice it up, okay? So now let's look at the first progression, okay? Starting from your 4. Okay, so let's look at this one. Adinara. So this, you won't go from 6 to your 2. You'll be descending from your 4 3 2, no 6. Okay, da 4, then a passing note. You understand? So 4, Adi 4 4 4 3 2. You see, so when you play your 4 and you want to play your 3, you can do 2 sharp 3, that is fa, re, mo, mi. You understand? 2 4 2 sharp 3, then a pass note to your 2. You understand? Dun, 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 dun. So when you play 2 sharp 3, then you play your 6, then to your 2. You understand? Da da 4, re mo mi la re, da da so. You understand? So now to your so, you pluck on so, la, si, so. You pluck so, then you hammer on la, si, so. Okay, you understand? Then now you be going to your do. When you play your root so, then you hit your octave so do. So it will be like you're playing your so octave, your so root and octave. Then so do. I hope you got that. Adinara. Yeah. Then to your 5. Da 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 da. Da so do. You understand? Okay. You see, so say yes, so you won't go to your 4. You'll be driving from 1 to your 3, because the main focus is say yes, 4 3. So now you want to go to your 3. Say yes, 1, oh casa 3. You understand? So you can descend from 4 3, or you can ascend from yes, 1 2 3. You understand? Then to your 6. So let's look at that. So say yes, so now you'll be going to your 2. Then you play 6 1 2. A nice passing note. Da 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 da. Oh casa. Then out to your 6. So do la do re. Re mo mi. Then now you'll be going to your 6. Okay. Then you play your to la. I hope you're getting it. Say yes, so. Oh, casa. So re mo mi do la. Adinina. You understand? So do la. Then you'll be going to your re. Re mi la re. Re mi la re. Just like the past note we did earlier. So now you'll be doing it on your higher note. 2 3 6 2. Then 5. Remember that when you're on your 5, you hit your root. Try to hit your octave before you go to your 1. 5 5 1. You understand? Okay. 1 6 1 2. 2 2 sharp 3. 7 flat 6. 2 3 6 2. Then you can do a pass note to your 5. That is 5 6 2 5. So la re so do. You understand? Okay. So now let me play it fully. To your 2. You see? To your 5. Just simple like that. So now we are now using the first progression. 4, that is your fa. Now to your 6. So zila. Now to your 2, the same passing note. Da, 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 da. So now when you play your re, try to bring in the root. But if you're using the 4th string, you can just play re. Re, that is your re and your octave, okay? But if you have a 5th string, re, then you go to your 5. Adininara. Yeah, cool. So a fill to your 5 5 2 verses 5 5 1. I hope you got that. Adi 4. You can also do this to your 6. You understand? So you have 2 ways you can go to your 6. 4 or 4. You see? So 4, so zila, then a pass note to your 2, re mi la re, 2 3 6 2, or 4, dan da dan. So you start from your 6, then you hammer on your 7, back to your 7 flat, then your 6. So da 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 da, and then you'll be plucking your 2 roots and octave to make the bass line more heavy. Okay, then to your 5, 2 5 6 5 5. Remember 5 1. I hope you got that. Okay, so just master the bass line. You can be using them out there. Okay, so say yes to another progression to this. Say yes to. Then now you'll be playing on 4. A pass note to your 4. So 1 4 4 5 1 4. Say yes to. Oh, casa. So you have to 2 sharp 3. Say yes to do 4 5 1 4. You pluck on 4. That is your fa. So you hammer on, so that's your 5. Then you pluck on 1 4 do fa. So da 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 da. You understand? Say yes to. Oh, casa. So you play 2 2 sharp 3, or you can just continue from here 2 2 sharp 3. So now you'll be descending to your 6. You won't do dollar. You can do it if you remember, but another way you can go to your 6 is so casa. You understand? You're descending chromatically from your 1 to your 6. That is 1 7 7 flat. Then your 3rd string gives you your 6. That is your la. Or if you don't want to play using the open string, you can just do 1 7 7 flat 6. Or when you play 2 2 sharp 3, then you have your 1 here. Okay, 1 da da da. Then now to your 2. So the simple pass note, re mi la re, la fa mi re. 2 6 4 3 2. Then to your 5 3 4 5. The way you want to end your 5, you can play 3 4 5 or 5 6 2 5. That is so la re so or mi fa so. Da da. You understand? So now let me try and bring a riff to say yes to the one I played earlier. Okay. You see? So say yes to. Oh, casa. So that progression is say yes to 1 2 3 6. You understand? That is where I'm applying the riff. Okay. You understand? So 3 mi fa so ti do. Then you have your fi so la fi so la. Remember fi so la. Fi so la. Then you have your D re 5 flat 5 5 6 2 flat 2. Okay, then to your 3 2 2 sharp 3 re mo mi. Then descend from your mi to your D, mi mo re D. Then you play do la. Then a pass note to your 2 re mi la re 2 3 6 2. Then you end 3 4 5 3 4 5. Or if you play your 2 here, then you can come back to the heavy note. Okay, then back to your 1. You understand? You understand? So practice this, okay, and make sure that whatever you've learned here, understand the progression. Know that you are putting that thing I played in the progression. Then when you make any song out there, you can start to apply them in that progression. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.